I got a cutting of this plant from my aunt in Louisiana, but don't know what it is. Can you help me identify it? And this is Miss Gina from Olive Branch, Mississippi. So we looked at that. I looked at the leaves. The first thing that came to mind to me, something in the pea family.
Yes.
If you look at that.
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
But we can't tell though.
Yep,
is it a vine?
Right.
It's a legume,
right.
but look, is it a vine or is it a shrubby kind of plant? I mean, it's hard to tell from the picture if it is or not. I don't recognize it per se, but there are a lot of bean species that are like that are vines
You know what it looks like
are
to me?
very ornamental.
It's like a pink locust to me. Locust is a legume. It's a tree.
true.
It
Yeah,
also
see?
grows as a shrub and small. The stem, the hairs on that stem.
The hairs on there.
That's locust. All, you know, I think, and the leaf. The leaflets.
Yeah, the leaf. Yeah,
They're all
sure. That
compound.
really
the
looks like
compound,
it looks like a pink
it's
locust.
definitely
to me.
something in the pea. Yeah, legume, pea.
And
family,
I've
for
seen that. I've had them growing.
sure. Right. And that would make sense. Louisiana.
Louisiana. it would.
Louisiana. So,
That's what it looks like to me.
all right. So hey, we can go with that. I can go with that.
And locust is a legume.
It's a
you know,
legume,
one of the few
right.
trees that.
Because again, looking at the compound
The
leaves,
flowers and
the
the flowers,
flower,
and, you know.
right?
Yeah.
But you did mention it.
Yeah.
Possibly a vine, maybe.
It
Possibly.
is. It might be vine. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, from the picture.
From the picture, if it's not backed out enough, she could. Maybe if she gave us one of the whole plant by itself with that close-up one, that would have been helpful to
Right. To see
what the growth pattern was for the plant.
Right, but like Mr. D mentioned, locust.
Yeah,
Again,
definitely.
legume.
One of the other names for pink locust is false acacia. And acacia, that's a Louisiana term, isn't
Right,
it?
there you go.
Acadians,
Okay.
Acadians.
Okay, I got
you know.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.